Hey everyone, it's me again, with a new video. I hope you're all great. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to promote Amazon affiliate products on YouTube. And make about $100 to $300 per day. And you don't have to create your own videos. I will show you how to find products on Amazon, then I will show you how we can download and use other people's YouTube videos without getting a copyright strike. And then you learn how to promote that Amazon affiliate product on a YouTube video. So you can make commissions on Amazon Associates. So first of all, go to Amazon Associates Central. Here, you just click on sign up, write your name, email, and then create your Amazon account. Once you've finished with the sign up process, you can pretty much sell anything on Amazon and get an affiliate commission for it. For example, if I'm going to sell this Fast and Furious 9 DVD, and then you click on text only, click on short link. Now this is your Amazon affiliate link. If anybody goes through this link and purchase, you will get a good commission. So that means, if they buy a camera or a dishwasher or anything for their kids, you will get a commission for that. Now, you might be wondering, how much percentage will you get if you sell an item? You can see 10% for luxury stores, beauty, and Amazon Explore. Then, drastically drops down to 5% for digital music, physical music, handmade, and digital videos. And then you can see 3% for toys, furniture, home improvement, and garden. What I recommend is go with high ticket items, about $200+. You will get less sales, but still, you will make $100 to $300 per day. So I'm gonna show you the easiest and fastest way to sell Amazon Associates items. But before that, I wanna say something. I am new on YouTube, and I want your support. Please hit that subscribe button for daily videos related to finance and money making. Now, the next step is to go to kit.co. Kit is a community of creators sharing the products. For example, Peter McKinnon is a YouTube creator, they got MKBHD here. One of the top tech reviewers on YouTube. And if we click on this link, you can see all the stuff that he's selling. So, if somebody clicks on his link and they buy this lens for about €900, and you know that's camera and photos category is under 4%. So let's take out calculator, and the 4% of this amount is about $42 from a single sale. Now obviously, MKBHD, he shows his face, he talks into the microphone and does very well. Now you will wonder, what niche can I do without talking into the microphone and also without showing my face? And one of the niches is actually cooking recipes. So, take a look at this channel called Tasty. It's getting 29 million views in the last 30 days. They only use music and have a top-down shot of cooking. This other channel is called The Cooking Foodie with about 8.4 million views in the last 30 days. And you can see that this video, for example, is just literally him with music going through his stuff. And I'm going to show you how to find this footage. You don't have to film it yourself. The next one is actually called Goodful with about 3.5 million views in the last 30 days. Now, let me show you the last one, the dinner bite, that only started about a year ago. And is probably making a full-time living from this without ever talking into the microphone. And you can see, for example, this video called Air Fryer Roasted Potatoes, and what does she have, down here is an affiliate link. And you can see, she's selling this on Amazon, and will make money if anybody purchases that from her link. You can also see, the cooking foodie with 2 million subscribers, getting millions of views. And in his videos, down in the description, you can see, her favorite kitchen equipments that goes to an Amazon shop. Now you might be thinking, how do I actually find the videos? For example, this air fryer roasted potatoes. If you know how to do it better, just go and try it yourself, like this is literally the easiest content you can do. Chopping some potatoes, filming it straight down, putting it into a bowl, and then putting it into an air fryer. But I definitely understand. So what you should do is go on YouTube, search for air fryer, you can click on filters, click on Creative Commons. Now, scroll down until you find some videos with a lot of views. So this one, for example, with 5 lakh views 6 months ago. They have given you permission to use this video as your own. As long as you reuse, edit, and transform it a little bit, this will not get copyright strike. And of course, selling an air fryer in the description down below is the perfect fit. It can make you a lot of money. If you go down a little bit more, you can see an instant pot. An instant pot is a little bit more expensive, which is a perfect product for Amazon associates that you could be selling and making money with. So to recap, sign up to Amazon associates, then find the niche you want to go into. Then find bunch of different products related to your category. Download some Creative Commons videos. Import them into a video editing software. And then, make video after video promoting either your kit link or Amazon Associates links. Obviously, you're not gonna be successful overnight. This will take time, hard work, and dedication. Maybe you don't like tasty recipes and all that. Then must try something different. There is 2 videos on the screen right now that has different methods to earn money online for free. They might be a better fit for you. So just tap them, and I will see you in the next videos. Cheers.